So, artificial intelligence, which is commonly known as AI these days, has really emerged as a transformative factor across many different industries. And as you know it, engineering is riding this wave of revolution. But you should know that in its early stage, AI was primarily automated to just do mundane tasks such as assisting in simulations. It wasn't automated to do any complex tasks. But fast forward to today, and AI has become a powerhouse. It influences everything we do, from design processes to complex problem solving scenarios. But now, let's zoom in on how AI is transforming the design landscape. So, as you guys should know, AI algorithms have an ability to analyze vast datasets. And because of this, they're not just streamlining the design process, they're pushing the boundaries of creativity. So, you guys should understand that engineers are collaborating with AI to generate design solutions. They go beyond our conventional thinking. And this makes the process not only faster, but also more resource effective too. So, moving beyond design, AI is making significant strides in manufacturing and production. But I want you guys to imagine a factory floor where AI, coupled with robotics and automation, is enhancing precision and efficiency. This is amazing, right? You should know that machines, guided by AI, can adapt in real time to changing conditions, ensuring a new level of reliability and quality in the production process. Another important detail to keep in mind is that AI is making big steps in workplace safety. From monitoring hazardous conditions to analyzing real time patterns that could indicate major potential risks, AI technologies are contributing to creating a much safer working environment. And this not only protects the well being of workers, but also reduces the likelihood of accidents and project delays. Now, AI is a game changer in another field too: predictive maintenance. So, sensors and AI algorithms work together hand in hand to monitor the health of equipment, and this can help predict potential failures before they can even occur. And this can save you guys a lot of money. This will not only minimize downtime, but also extend the lifespan of critical machinery, helping to make operations smoother and more cost effective. So, as with any powerful tool, the integration of AI into engineering really comes with a strong set of challenges. There are ethical considerations, concerns over data privacy, and their concerns over the potential impact on employment. All of these concerns are hot topics in discussion these days. It's really important to strike a balance between technological advancements and responsible implementation, because this is crucial to ensure that AI has a positive impact on our society, not a negative impact. Moving on from that, let's now talk about how AI is contributing to sustainability in engineering. So, AI goes from optimizing consumption in smart buildings to even enhancing traffic flow in smart cities. AI is becoming a key player in developing an eco friendly and resource friendly environment. It's not just about building smart, it's about building smart with the planet in our minds. Now, wrapping up today's exploration of artificial intelligence in engineering, it's clear that we're witnessing a dynamic force reshaping how we design, build, and maintain our world. The future in AI holds even more promise as engineers continue to push the boundaries of what AI can achieve. From tackling complex problems to advancing sustainability, the possibilities are exciting and limitless. Thank you for joining us today on STEM Spotlight. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to subscribe for more captivating discussions on the evolving world of technology and engineering. Until next time, I'm Vignesh, signing off.